construction progress at Elegant Nivasa. Could you provide insights on the pace of construction?
So Elegant Nivasa is a unique residential building in which we have taken what's the best in the commercial world to the residential world. We have taken 5 levels of car parking with 2 basements and 3 podiums. The total car parking area comes approximately around 5 lakh SFT, and the tower areas come close to 8 lakh 80,000 SFT. Out of the total 13 lakh 80,000 SFT, we have constructed close to 9 lakh SFT already slab area wise. So that 65% of the total slab area is finished as on date. We have started construction in September 23. That's when we received the RERA. So in the last 2 years, we have finished 65% of the total slab area. We are in line with the construction progress, with the technology of construction that we are using. We are using conventional shuttering methods. There is a further series on which we can have a conversation on why conventional shuttering for Nivasa. But considering what was planned for the project, we are in line with the progress, and we should be looking to deliver the project much before the RERA date. Nivasa, we are looking at a handover in the first half of 27. So that's the short answer for our question, I guess.